How to delete saved messages on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete the saved messages on Snapchat. So to delete the saved messages on the Snapchat, you can have to follow some steps. So open the Snapchat app and go to the chat where the saved messages is located. Please guys, make sure to watch the complete video to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, after opening the chat, press and hold the message you want to delete. So press and hold the message you want to delete, and after that you will see the delete option. So you have to tap right here on the delete. Now hit the OK button, and after and you can see this message is deleted. So this is how you can easily delete the old messages from Snapchat. And it's important to note that when you delete a message, Snapchat attempts to remove it from its servers and your friends devices, but this may not always work if someone has a bad internet connection or is running an old version of the Snapchat. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.